In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide inbox tabs or categories in Gmail. If you're finding your Gmail inbox cluttered, or you simply want to streamline it to better suit your needs, adjusting the visibility of your inbox tabs can help you achieve a cleaner and more organized view. So let's dive in and see how you can do this. To start, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser. Once you are there, the first step is to locate the settings icon. This is represented by a small gear icon located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with a few options. Next, click on See All Settings. This will take you to Gmail's main settings page where you can make more comprehensive changes to your email environment. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see a series of tabs running across the top. These tabs contain different settings categories. For our purposes, you'll want to click on the tab labeled Labels. This section allows you to manage how different categories and labels appear in your inbox. In the Labels section, you'll find a list of all available categories and labels, such as primary, social, issuing, promotions, and others, depending on your Gmail configuration. Each category will have the option to show or hide them. Now, you can choose which categories you'd like to hide from view. Simply locate the category you wish to hide and click the corresponding hide button next to it. If later you decide you want to show it again, just revisit this section and click Show. This action will effectively remove the selected tabs or categories from your visible inbox layout, helping you reduce distractions and focus on the email categories that matter to you most. For additional customization, feel free to explore the other settings available in the Labels section. You can create new labels to further organize your inbox or even adjust how labels interact with incoming messages. Remember, however, that hiding a tab does not delete the emails. They're still accessible through search or by showing the tab again as needed. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you can easily manage your Gmail inbox tabs, creating a more streamlined and personalized email experience. Have a great day. Happy emailing.